Hello and good evening. My name is Ethan Walker, and today we're going to be just going through my final project for C++. And for the final project, we had to make an online shopping cart system. And just going to explain the logic behind the program, key components, and the key functions that main components and key functions that bring this all together. So, just a little overview of the project. This is just simulates a simplified e-commerce platform, and this allows the users to register or create their accounts and then log into them afterwards. Also, to browse their products, separated by different categories. So we have three categories that we have: is electronics, groceries, and clothing. And then as well, we have they can view their past orders that they've made. Also, an admin role with additional capabilities. This just is just a add on to the user. They're allowed to add products and take away products as well, and also see how orders are shipped or not. So basically, let's just go through the code structure and just go through each of the classes that I have. Just go through them. So the first class we have here is the user class. Let me expand this up a little bit. So user class is broken into, it just allows user to get their ID. So the user ID, their username, and then also their email. And and then also after that is their password. And I go over here, and this just allows them to, when they create their account, this is where it saves it. It allows them to return that user ID if they put it on, and also to check that password and make sure what password that they put in is the same password that they had created when they made the account. So this is this page, just function, keep it simple. The next one is the admin class, which is inherits from the user, but as I said earlier, just adds the function or just that they could add a product and or for order management stuff. So same thing, they got the user ID, get user ID, username, email, check password, all that type of stuff. But just they get to serialize or just check on the admin stuff. And this just allows it so it can distinguish the user types. There's two different user types. All right, the next one is the product class, and this just shows the type of products that we have. So same thing as it shows here. You have the product ID, which is a number, the name of what the product is, describes it, so it goes deeper, describes it a little bit better, the price, and then also the quantity of it. And this just holds it for when the products are put in. They already got some products put in, and it just shows when you're going to ask. When the person asks for it, it returns the product ID, the name, description, shows all of that, and it shows if it's in stock or not, and allows the user to see that. The next one, the category class, this is just to separate the three products from each other. So just to keep the electronics, the groceries, and clothes separate from each other. And they keep it category name, products for products, just to keep them separate from each other. Next one is the shopping cart, just to show what the user has put inside their in the shopping cart already, what they want. They haven't bought it yet, but it's there, and it just shows a different settings. I guess I could say one is if they want to remove an item, they can add an item. They can show if they want more. They want to view their cart, they can. If it's empty, they can clear it. And same thing here. If the user on accident puts a negative number, it won't allow them to do that. It shows added, the product ID, quantity of the cart. It shows that they can remove it. Same stuff like that. Just to make it easier for the user, for the interface. Last thing is the order. So after they're finished, they have everything done. This just helps them to order it, so it has the order items, so it has all the product IDs, all the quantities of how much is there that they want to order, and it also shows the status that for their order as well. And same thing, order ID, user ID, and then status. So if things come in or not, or whatnot. Also shows the product, and just goes through how just to make sure that they get their product as well. Last thing is the file manager. This just holds all the information that the user has done already. So all the usernames, passwords is all saved here. If it's a admin or not, it all comes through here. And lastly is the main function. So this just helps all the categories. So just keep that class separate. So it goes here, electronics, groceries, clothing. Also, it creates a main menu as well. So you have welcome to online shopping cart, and it just has 1, 2, or 3 to choose what they want to do. And this goes to loading data, each of the data from the file manager, and it uses from the users tab, either for electronics, grocery, whatever they want to do, basically. And that's pretty much it. Here's the login information. So they want to enter the username, enter their password, make sure that it matches, and it can show that they actually got in. And this is for the admin if they wanted to get in or not. And if not, it just shows login failed if it's not correct. Excuse me. Now, if they want to create a new user, this is how they would register. So just put 1 for user, 2 for admin, and they could get just put their name, their username, email, and password, like they would do on a normal site. And if the username already exists, then they can't put it in. They would have to change it. For same thing for user, same thing for admins. They would have to. And use here for if else, just to make sure that they separated 1 for user, 2 for admin, just to keep it safe. And here is the shopping cart. Same thing as the menu. Here we just look at the menu, browse products, view what's in the cart, check out, view orders, log out. Just to keep it simple, just have the user to actually do what they want to do. And down here is just to browse what products that they have. So electronics, groceries, clothing, and all. This is why the file manager is really important, because it saves all of the products that were shown. And then lastly, well, not lastly just yet, but the shopping cart. This helps with the payment, shipping info, into the payment, address, all that good stuff. If they want to create a new order, they can. If they want to, and it reduces the stock after they've done that. So after they order something, it subtracts it automatically, and it saves while they do so. And that is pretty much it. And here, lastly, so if you want to enter the product ID, you want to enter your name, enter the name, description, enter price. This is for the admin if they wanted to add different, add a product into their store or something like that. And that is it. Last but not least, that is it. So now we can run the program. I'll just go through it real quick. So here it is right here, the coming in. So welcome to the online store, shopping cart system. And we can register, log in, and exit. So let's register. And we can register as a user. Just do 1. And for a username, let's say we are user 0. Let's say that. Email, we could do user0@gmail.com. All right, and then lastly, password. Let's just do user 0. All right, so we got registered successfully. Now we can hit 2, log in. User 0, user 0. All right, so we logged in, and now we got to this part. So now we can browse the products, do our cart. If we hit 2 now, it says our cart is empty. We can't do anything. So let's hit 1, and we can browse our products. And here are 3 things: electronics, groceries, clothing. Let's just hit 1, and here it shows all the stuff that we have. So let's see why we want to add something. Let's click 1, and the quantity, let's do 3. All right, so added 3 of ID product 1. So the computer And we can view cart, and it shows product ID 1, quantity 3. All right. Next, we can do checkout, and we do 3. And just random payment. This is just for show address. Let's just say Pops Drive. Said let's do GA, something like that. All right, there we go. And the cart has been cleared. And this is shown. If we go back in now and we can browse products, and we hit 1 again, now it shows here that 7 is in stock, and 7 is in stock, so it's subtracted 3 from up here. And that's basically it. We can go to hit 4, and it can view our order, and this says product ID is 1, the quantity is 3, and that's basically it. And we can hit 5, we can log out. Another one that I had made earlier, it saved in as user 1, user 1, 2. Oh, nope. So see here again is I put in the wrong password, but user 12 login failed. It's not there anymore. Here's what we can try that again. Let's do this. Let's do the ad boss. All right, so here's the admin that can manage their products, add products, and whatnot. And basically, that's it for us. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. All right, bye-bye.